13. We are from Pondicherry Engineering College. Myself Muthukumaran, my batchmates are Divya, Paniraj Kumar and Meenakshi Devi. Under the guidance of Professor G. Nagarajan sir, we developed this project for eYIC Innovation Competition. The title of our project is Design and Implementation of Mobile Control Multifunctioning Robot.
Hi, myself Paniraj Kumar. This is the idea of our project. The basic idea is design and implementation of multiple functions in a single robot. The functions which we are implementing in our project is cleaning and fire extinguishing and detection. It will detect the fire while doing the cleaning itself. Whenever it detects a fire, and it can extinguish that fire by using the water tank which we place in the top of the robot. Then poisonous gas detection, and it will alarm everyone by using the speaker. Another function which we added in our project is pick and drop arm, and afterwards we are implementing the surveillance cameras over the robot for the purpose of surveillance.
For eYIC Innovation Competition. The controller which we used is LPC2148 microcontroller, which has 64 pins. We used HC05005 Bluetooth module, using which the command sent from the Android mobile will send to the Bluetooth module. Via Bluetooth module, all the commands goes to microcontroller. We have arm gripper, which is used for pick and drop, which is used to pick the object and place the object at the respective place. And we use IR sensor for obstacle. If any obstacle is present, it is detected using IR sensor, and direction of the path control is given to the microcontroller if any obstacle is present. And we have LED in the front. It is used at the night for direction for navigation purpose. And we have flame sensor, which is used to detect the fire. If any fire incident occurs, it is detected using flame sensor. Automatically, the control will go to the relay, using which from the relay the control goes to microcontroller, which turns on the motor of the tank, using which the water flows to the pipe connected here. And we have voice module here and speaker. Once the fire detected, the fire command such as fire detected will come out of is delivered through a speaker. Already the voice command, some of the commands are previously stored. Once the fire has detected, the fire detected command will be delivered. Here we have gas sensor MCQ5, which is used to detect the poisonous gas. Similarly, these also will be executed to the through voice command. And we have motor. We have two motors for navigation purpose. Caster wheel. At the bottom we have caster wheel for easy turning purpose. For cleaning purpose, we used motor. At the bottom we have the knob for cleaning. And we have driver module for the control of the motors. This is the power supply, using which we give the adapter to turn on the power.
Forward, reverse, left, right, pick. Cleaning wheel. If you want to charge, use the solar plug. First manual mode. First manual mode.
Manual mode,
Reverse, back.
forward, reverse, left,
Back.
auto mode,
Auto mode. Back. Voice mode. Place.
Myself, Meenakshi Sundari. While designing our robot, we faced few hardware and software problems. Like first, we designed our robot with 4 wheels. At the turning point, the robot cannot turn properly. So, we redesigned our project with 2 geared wheels and 1 caster wheel. For cleaning, at first, we used a brush. Since it not able to clean properly, we replaced it with a knob.
First, we gave some delay for the proper turning of the robot. By adding some components and the varying level of the water, the delay first we gave is not properly matched for the proper turning of the robot. So, but by doing lot of trial and error methods, we finally came with some decision of some average delay for the proper turning of the robot.
Yeah, we started our project with a navigation, and as of now, we have completed a cleaning which will clean the floor, and pick and place which will pick the things and drop. And if any fire occurs, it will detect the fire as a while it will extinguish the fire. And if in industry there is any poisonous gases, it will also detect the gas. And we are for a power supply, we have executed a solar circuit.
Control all the operations using the Android app. The Android app is developed using the Android Studio. In the app, we have 3 modes: voice mode, manual mode and auto mode. In the voice mode, we have to give the voice commands. In the manual mode, we have to manually press the buttons like forward or reverse for the operations. In the auto mode, it automatically performs all the operations by its own.
If you ask why to select this project, is the basic idea of the project itself says multifunctioning of the robot. In the market, what are the robots which are available are monofunctional, but this is a cost efficient multifunctioning robot which can be useful both in industries and home. In industries, most they are going for automation. They need more robots which are capable of doing multiple functions with low cost. In home, if you consider, for socially purpose, social human beings, we need a human assistance. We can say this. We can say this robot to be, it can perform cleaning and a pick and place arm which can be used for human assistance. Also, the biggest advantage of our project is the voice commands. Voice commands, by giving voice commands, we can control the robot, which is mostly useful for physically disabled persons.